Hey guys, if you would like to redeem your gift card on Crunchyroll, here is how you can do it. So first of all, launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, simply type in crunchyroll.com, which is the official website of Crunchyroll. And then make sure that you are logged into your specific Crunchyroll account. Then you will be able to see your profile. You have to click on this drop-down menu. Once done, you will be able to see your name. Scroll below under notifications, you will see gift card, have a gift card, redeem it here. So click onto it and then simply paste your gift card here. If your gift card is valid, you may go ahead and redeem it. After that, you can go ahead and use it anywhere. But if it's invalid, you will not be able to use it. So make sure that you don't mistake your gift card and type in O as a 0 or vice versa. And depending upon the value of your gift card, you will be able to redeem it. So thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.